In this video, we want to use a formula to find the Pythagorean triple corresponding to PQR equals 25, 18, and 1. So the formula that we're going to use is A equals P squared minus Q squared plus R squared. B is equal to 2 times PQ. And C is equal to P squared plus Q squared plus R squared. So for A, we're going to plug in P is 25, Q is 18, and R is 1. Get 25 squared minus 18 squared plus 1 squared, which is 302. To find B, we multiply 2 with 25 and 18, which is 900. And for C, we're going to square 25 plus 18 squared plus 1 squared to get 950. So the Pythagorean triple will be 302, 900, and 950. Similarly, we want to look at PQ and R equals 26, 18, and 1. To solve for A, we're going to do 26 squared minus 18 squared plus 1 squared, which is 353. To calculate B, that's going to be 2 times 26 times 18, which is 936. And to calculate C, it's 26 squared plus 18 squared plus 1 squared, which is 1001. So the Pythagorean triple will be 353, 936, and 1001.